Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you how I made my faux Halloween window. Rather than put 4 frames together to make a large faux window, I just used a square DollarTree picture frame and some large popsicle sticks. You're going to need this frame. It's, I think, like around an 8 by 8 inch frame. And you're also going to need some kind of embellishments. I happen to have these skeleton stickers I bought on clearance last year. You'll also need a wooden cat, some of the felt stickers, and I used cheesecloth because it's thinner than creepy cloth. Then you'll also need the oversized popsicle sticks, and you're going to cut the ends off of them, and then you're going to glue them together in a manner that will fit inside your window. So you can see where 2 are together and then 2 more are short. I didn't exactly get it in the center, but anyway, I put some washi tape on them so that I could flip them over after they were glued with wood glue. And then I used some cardboard from a cereal box just to reinforce it. I didn't want it to be too thick because it had to still fit on the frame. I used some wood filler from the Dollar Tree. Once it was dry, I sanded it to make it smooth. I cut off the bottom of my cat because I wanted to make it look like it was sitting in the window, and I also filled in the hole with some wood filler. I painted the cross black and as well as the cat. And then I just decorated my window. To get this effect, I put the hand sticker is actually on the glass, and the skeleton itself is on the backing, and then the cheesecloth is in between so that it looks like he's actually looking out of the window. It was a quick project. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. If you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. A thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you. Take care.